Okay, so welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to install Lumen on Windows. I have already installed PHP and Apache on the server. I want to install Lumen. Let's see what it requires. So for installation it requires PHP 7.2 versions, OpenSSL PHP Extension, PDO PHP Extension, Mbstring and Composer. So PHP is installed, PHP 7.2 version, PHP 7.4.2 versions, Composer is already installed. So I'll create a project. I'll copy this command. I'll go to in my cd Apache cd htdocs and I'll create a Lumen API. It will take some time. So Lumen installation is completed. Now we'll go to the documentations and see how we can run this command. I'll first go to the cd Lumen API. From here I'll run this command. Okay, I'll go to localhost it says Lumen 6.3.3, Laravel Composer 6.0. Great guy, we have installed Lumen.